Gikundi giki kia atongoria kuma ikamba-ini gitongoretio ni mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka gikinyitie kaunti-ini cia Kĩrinyaga na Embu gucenjania meciria na gavana Anne Waiguru na murunawe Martin Wambora maingi ma maundu maria maraniirie makiuga ni ma utongoria na uthii wa na mbere.
As we all know, we are heading to the elections and there are very many conversations that are going on and very many organizations as well to ensure that we all end up in the government of the day come 2022.
And we will visit every part. We will, of course, is a game of getting people, convincing people with your manifesto, with your ideas.
Kalonzo, uria ni umwe wa amemba ngwataniro ya One Kenya Alliance, ahuthirite mweke uyu kuha Waiguru na Wambora manyitanire na ukumba thirikari kuma mwaka ukite.
And I have not hidden away or shied away from inviting governor to consider joining that, because she is reputed to have sent a text message to one of our good friends whose name will remain secret for the time being.
Kalonzo augite ndari na guoya wa kwambata kirima-ini guku agiteaniria atongoria amwe ta munini wa President William Ruto uria wonekete ta hotanite gicigo-ini giki na kuringana na Kalonzo aria maronekaga ta mari makinya maingi mbere riu mari hatikaini.
We are very prepared, but we also want to climb it in a manner that is not going to cause friction to anybody. And therefore, that's why the courtesy call to get the briefing, and it's very important for us to know, because you cannot just go to Batian.
Governor Anne Waiguru mwena-ini wake augite hinda-ini riria ri kiharo-ini guthikiriria mawoni ma atongoria matiganite na ihinda ritari haraihu ni egutuitua ikinyaniru na amenyithia arumiriri yake.
Am I going to take the offer? As I said, and I said before, I'm in the process of introspecting and consulting, and in due course you will know the course of direction that we have taken, but we've been on the same side of government, on the handshake side, so it's not too far.
Uhotekeku wa Kalonzo kwamura mutongoria mutumia gutuika munini wake ni gatagate ka maundu maria monekete gukenia ngoro ya Waiguru na kuona atongoria aingi maugite matire na thina kwamura munini wa president kuma Mount Kenya. Uyu wahota gukorwo ni umwe wa mubango wa Kalonzo wa kuiguithia Waiguru etikire kurutithania wira nake.
In 2002, when I picked Professor Dr. Julia Ojambo as my running mate, you seem to have forgotten we are trailblazers.
Yes.
And we can do it again and again.
I'm very, very honored to hear, as a woman champion, His Excellency Party Leader for Wiper saying that he, in their manifesto, they say that in their cabinet or in their government, it will be 50-50 for men and women. So for us, we are very honored to hear that.
Atongoria matiganite hamwe na seneta wa Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Jr., murunawe wa Machakos Agnes Kavindu na mubunge wa Kitui Irene Kasalu ni gatagate ka aria manyitanire na Kalonzo icera-ini riri. Ngiribuatira Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.